fucking dolphin.
Oh, there's dolphins way over there. Alright, hey everybody. So I'm just letting everybody know that we're leaving Gulfport. We're going into the Gulf of Mexico. And you won't be able to get a hold of us 2 or 3 days. So we'll be posting or anything. Won't have signal. 36 hours? I'm gonna say 2 to 3 days though, just in case.
No, 36 hours.
That says 36 hours.
Max.
That's max?
Yeah, probably. We should be able to make it there faster.
Alright. So hopefully I'll let y'all know we're A-OK in 36 hours. Bye.